It's Wednesday, April 30th, Income Tax Deadline Day. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And we begin with a hint of things to come from Donald Trump's trade war, with StatsCan just reporting slower economic growth, a 0.2% decline for GDP back in February, following a 0.4% lift in January. Construction, mining, oil and gas all weaker. Shouldn't be too long before we all know whether the Hudson's Bay fate is sealed. Today, the deadline for pitches to take over some or all of the department store's leases around the country. Earlier reports were suggesting a high level of interest, to use the words of the Bay's financial advisor. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter. Canada's Business Beat, updated daily on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. Another big profit jump in the grocery business, with Shoppers Drug Mart and Real Canadian Superstore parent Loblaw posting a first quarter take of $503 million. It was $459 million a year back. Toronto has just regained the dubious distinction of having the most expensive hotel rates across the country, an average of $242 a night in March, according to data provider CoStar. Vancouver dropping to second spot with an average of $216 a night. Another blow for electric vehicle sales. BC pulling the plug on rebates for all EV models after May 15th. Lower Amazon shipments get the blame. Courier giant UPS announcing plans to cut 20,000 jobs. Another bad news update coming from Starbucks as the Seattle-based coffee giant reports weaker first quarter sales. The company's earnings a lower than forecast 41 cents a share. And ride-sharing service Uber is finally getting what it wants in British Columbia, a green light to operate in every city across the province as of next month. And that will do it for your Wednesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.